Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com how to create alert reminders. Start by opening your sample project board in Monday.com. We'll work from the timeline or date column since that's where reminders are anchored. On that column, click the three-dot menu to open its options. This is where you control how the column behaves and, importantly, where you can add automatic reminders so deadlines never sneak past you. From the menu, choose Settings, then select Add Edit Date Reminders. This opens the reminder builder. Think of this as a simple recipe. You'll decide when the alert should go out, who should get it, and then save it as an automation. Begin with the When setting. Click When to choose the timing relative to your date. You'll see preset options you can pick from, such as on the date, a certain number of days before, or even after a date if follow-ups matter for your workflow. Selecting one of these samples helps you move quickly, and you can always refine the exact number of days or hours if the option allows for it. Choose the timing that matches how your team likes to work. For example, a reminder the day before keeps things proactive without being noisy. Next, choose the action to notify. This tells Monday.com to send a notification when the condition is met. Now decide who should receive it. You can target a specific teammate or keep it dynamic by selecting the assignee from a people column so the reminder always goes to the person responsible for that item. Click the user or the people field to confirm your choice, and then click Done to lock in the recipient. If you prefer to notify multiple folks, repeat the selection to include them, but keep in mind that more notifications can create clutter. Pick only those who truly need the heads up. With the timing and recipient set, click Create Automation to save it. Monday.com will now watch that timeline or date field and send the alert exactly as configured. These notifications appear in the Monday.com inbox and, depending on personal settings, can also trigger emails or push alerts, helping your team stay aligned. A couple of quick tips as you use this: keep your timeline or date values up to date so reminders fire at the right moment, and review reminder wording if you have the option to edit message text, keeping it clear and action-oriented. If your processes evolve, you can always return to the same menu to adjust or delete a reminder as your needs change. That's it. Your alert reminder is set and ready to keep your deadlines on track.